How to connect Samsung printer, M2070FW printer, to Wi-Fi method. Connect using control panel, Wi-Fi wizard. 1. Turn on the printer. Make sure the printer is powered on and ready. 2. Access the menu. On the printer's control panel, press the menu button. Use the arrow keys to navigate to network, then press OK. 3. Select Wi-Fi settings, scroll to Wi-Fi and press OK. Then select Wi-Fi settings, press OK. Choose Wi-Fi direct, optional. Turn off if you're using your home Wi-Fi instead. 4. Run the Wi-Fi setup wizard, choose Wi-Fi network, then wizard and press OK. The printer will scan for available wireless networks. 5. Choose your network. Use the arrow keys to find your Wi-Fi network name, SSID. Select it and press OK. 6. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Use the keypad to type your Wi-Fi password. Use the number keys to cycle through letters, like texting on old phones. Press OK after typing the full password. 7. Wait for connection. The printer will attempt to connect to the network. When successful, the display will show connected, and the wireless LED will stop blinking and stay solid. Optional, confirm connection. Print a network configuration report from the printer to verify connection. On the printer, go to Menu, Network, Network Conf, Print. For more updates, subscribe our channel The Printer Zone.